Hey, boy! Marksland! Yay! Don't cry. I'm sorry, baby boy.
Oh no.
It's okay, boy.
It's okay, baby. Daddy.
It's just a toy.
Oh.
Okay, no more. No more.
Daddy.
No more.
Okay. Wow.
Can you make a trick?
I'm doing it, Maya.
Wow.
Nice drifting.
You know I know.
Ow!
Oh
Ow!
You always You don't have to like it. What are you doing? You're putting that scatter thing.
Oh!
Go!
Go! Mommy,
no. Oh.
what happened?
Robot.
Lobot? Reverse, mommy.
Hey.
Okay, forward. Nyay!
Oh no.
You're such a bad driver, mommy. You don't... Ow! You don't know how to drive.
I know.
Silly girl. Okay. Woo! Ah! Mommy, you should do it. I'm holding the camera. Ouch! Ouch! Mommy, go! Woo! You hit the bowling pins! Silly girl, mommy! Such a bad driver! Yeah! Soft rubber tires. Yep. Soft rubber tires. Nice. It's a hot looking Lamborghini. That's for sure. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Hey, boy. Come here, boy. What a snob. Wow! Fast lane RC! Lamborghini Veneno LR40. Wow, it looks so hot. You like it, mommy?
Yeah.
It's a nice looking Lamborghini, that's for sure. Lamborghini Veneno LR40. Oh yeah, nice. It's a full function RC. Rubber tires. Shock absorbing suspension. Oh yeah. 7.2 volt rechargeable battery. Working headlights and taillights. Awesomeness. Okay, mommy, unboxing time. Let's unbox it. Yeah. Minnie Mouse. A Minnie Mouse RC plane. Who's driving it? Maya girl. It's Maya. She's the one who's driving it.
My ponytail chair.
Ow. Maya, is that Queen Elsa?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What, Maya?
I'm driving a green car.
But it's not a car, it's a plane. And it's not green, it's pink. Silly girl, Maya. Silly girl, Maya. Okay, mommy, unboxing time. Wow, it looks so hot.
I tried a new car.
It's not a car, it's a dinosaur. An RC dinosaur, cool. Okay, instructions. Instructions for the RC Lamborghini.
You can fit in.
What? Ah, okay.
You can just fit in.
Okay, cool.
You're driving.
That's
You're
cute.
driving the car with nobody.
Who's going to drive? Rainbow Dash?
I got just a gun.
Okay, Rainbow Dash is going to drive.
Nobody take it everything. Oh, what's this? Is this batteries? Is this some?
What, Maya?
This is AC.
Oh, what's inside?
Just that.
Oh, the charger, I think.
I think too.
Yeah. Where's the battery? There's the battery. 7.2 volt NIMH rechargeable
What
battery.
is this thing? It's not the battery, see?
That's the 9 volt battery for the controller, Maya.
Is this battery, see?
Vitamin C? Silly girl.
Wow, I don't eat it.
Hey, don't eat it. It's not a food. It's not vitamin C. It's a battery. Maya has gone crazy.
This is yummy.
Ah, don't eat it.
This is yummy.
Okay, the Lamborghini Veneno is unboxed.
Is it ready?
It's a nice looking car, mommy.
Ready?
It's a hot looking car. Almost, Maya.
It's like there's eyes
I know,
and a
huh?
nose.
Yeah.
Funny.
Lamborghini.
It's the funniest car in the world. Look at his face.
It doesn't look funny to me.
And look at his arms.
It's not a funny looking car,
And
Maya.
look at his
It's a mean looking car, not funny. It looks so mean.
Look at his glider.
Yeah, the spoiler. Nice
And look at
spoiler,
this-
huh?
Look.
What? Oh no, the ponies.
Look at the legs. It's easy to put, but you're destroying.
Nice looking car.
Okay, let's make him go.
Okay, mommy, put the 9 volt battery.
Wait there. Why is that there?
Okay.
Why that red screen is You're so funny. How come you're so small? You just have one eye. You're so funny. Just like everyone is. Chicken. Oh, it's me. Stop it. Where's the I got you. I got you too. I got everybody in the town. I got mommy, nobody else. Look at me.
Okay, the 9-volt battery is installed.
I just sing like a boo.
You're dancing like a boob, alien.
There's a boo dance. There's a boo dance.
Maya likes that movie a lot. Home.
Is it ready?
Home.
Is it ready?
Mommy, put the rechargeable battery, please.
Is it ready, Nelly? Mommy, you're putting the ponies.
Okay, it's ready, Maya.
No.
Did you switch it on, Mommy?
Wait.
Switch it on, please.
Alright.
It's over.
Maya is excited. Yeah, oh no, Rainbow Dash and what's her name? Twilight Sparkle. They fell off the car.
You don't know.
Silly girl, Mommy.
You don't know what.
Okay.
Whoa, let's just drive here. Okay, just relating them.
It's fast.
Okay, I can take out the ponies off. Okay? Let's
Okay, no more ponies.
Nobody's trying. Woo! This is kind of fast.
Oh!
Oh.
So hard to drive.
Oh! Go, Maya! Woo!
It's kind of hard because there's not enough space.
Yeah. We need a bigger space.
Let's go to the park.
Yeah, we should go to the park.
Now,
Oh no, you hit the Ferrari!
now try to find it, and now try to party. So hard because no space. Make it faster.
Wow.
Nice drifting! Woo!